What the fuck? I knew it was gonna be here at some point. 2529. Okay. Who's it for? Maria. 2529. Fuck me. Oh my god. I discovered something in the arbor. It is a large animal that does not appear to be alive. I think this is what some of the others saw. You must go and see. Then we need to get it to the main control lab. William to Maria. I went back to the arbor to save as much of the fluids from the dissection as possible, but I had to let most of it soak in the soil. I wish circumstances were more jovial, more jovial, but I am grateful to be able to share this moment with you, Maria. This is an absolute marvel, a native being of the moon. Hello, team. There's a potential illness going around until we know more. STIP is in effect. Report at the first sign of any symptoms. Isolate if feeling ill. Wipe down surfaces frequently. Wear provided masks. Visit the lab for cultures to be taken. One of us doctors will always be at the main control lab, so stop by at any time. A sleeping area will be set up for you in a designated isolation zone, and your meals will be delivered for the length of your isolation period. Chem will be conducting recurring surface swabs and use air filter testing. Bio will handle pre-incinerator wastewater analysis. Engineering will be replacing all air filters with high efficiency particulate air filters over the next 48 hours. Reach out to the medical team with any questions. Thank you. Fuck me. Oh, an EXE. Okay, running that. Run that shit. Opening doors. Fuck, is there a desk I could hide in? There's nowhere for me to hide in this room. Are you fucking kidding me? Don't come down here, please. Fuck did it go? Starting biomarkers that detected more details soon. I can't wait for the radiocarbon results. I don't know if I'm going to be able to sleep thinking about what types of ancient life could have been left. 'Cause. could have left these biomarkers, assemblages, in these samples, and from how long ago. As excited I am, it doesn't feel right celebrating without Edith. Proteinogenic amino acids after everything it has all been worth it. This is momentous. Life right here, right now, with us on the moon. Maybe the canal harbors a more hospitable environment for certain organic material. After I get the next experimental logged and prepped tomorrow. Fuck. I need to talk with Barbara. What I'm experiencing does not fill me with confidence. The loss of time, the hallucinations, and yet I embrace it. I embrace the process. I hear it now. The canal is our only way to go on together. So, whatever this thing is, it's like the fucking marker from Dead Space. You know, that thing? That thing that if you see it, it starts speaking to you to go ahead and be like, we have to be whole again. We must be whole again. The thing that's responsible for the necromorphs as well. That thing? Yeah. Clearly the canal. Oh, that was satisfying. Clearly the canal is like that. And I hate that. And I also hate that I have to go this way, which is where this goddamn monstrosity is. But clearly it can fucking teleport for some odd reason, and I don't like that. God. Why? What? Oh, it's just a vent. Okay. No, don't put something in here, please. I beg and plead of you. Don't let me get chased by something that's gonna be in this area. I don't want to chase. I don't want to chase. Decontamination solution E9 base notes. Choosing a base for EL9. Water. Water water content improves penetration into porous surfaces. Water alone doesn't work for copper or hydrogen peroxide. Isopropyl alcohol. This is so IPA. So water, IPA, isopropyl, ethanol, and glyco. Okay, so let's start with base. Oh, fuck. Okay. So sorry, Mike went under my armpit. Okay, so I have to choose the right base. But any of these can be wrong. If these can be the bases, these four can be the bases. But I have to be careful which one I choose because some of them don't agree with the other. So if I were to do the water with the isopropyl, it cancels out. Because water doesn't work for copper or hydrogen peroxide. Or sorry, water alone doesn't work for copper. Very so maybe we do You do this. Oh! It's to get rid of the roots. Okay. An active compound. So we need... God damn it. It's science. It's chemistry stuff. I never took chemistry. Active compounds for EL9. Copper would be good. Why don't we do hydrogen? Why don't we do the hydrogen peroxide? Because that's the only one that doesn't have a problem. The chemical. Oh, it has. Fuck. I'm reading this right now. I'm trying to understand it. Binds metal ions. Stable in slightly acidic conditions. Why don't we... Maybe EDTA? I don't know. Oh, it's already on EDTA. Cool. And then we need another active. Let's look. Stabilizers. Wait, is there a tab for base? Oh, there is. See, this one. Oh, this is the chemical order. Instead of, I should have looked at this one for like stabilizers. Okay, let me read EDTA because that's the one I chose. Good at cleaning up stray metals that would weaken phenyl strength. Can weaken when in a lot of alcohol, such as ethanol. Stabilizes metals and protects H202. I don't remember what H202 is. I'm sorry. I'm not a chemist. I never paid attention to this. I took like the 2 days of... Wait a minute. That's... Okay, so that kind of just... What the fuck? The fuck was that? Okay. Best in mildly acidic environments. Well, I have EDTA already, because if we look at hydrogen peroxide... What is Cu2? What is Cu2? It's copper too. I should have figured that out. A copper atom that has lost 2 electrons, giving it a +2 charge. Oh. See, I wouldn't have known that. Well, we're focusing on copper a lot because if the hydrogen peroxide, oh, that's H2O2. Okay. Or H2O2. That's hydrogen peroxide. Okay, I'm learning this. I'm getting it. It works well with copper too and EDTA. If we're if it's focusing on copper, which is basically what this says right here, active one is Cu2, is copper 2. Like that just gives away that we need to focus on copper. So why don't we do copper ions for the second activator? Let's test it. It worked. Compound is 100% effective. Formula assigned to decontamination chamber at main control laboratory is accessible. I did it. I did it. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I did it. That was great. Cool. All right. So now I can go back into the decontamination chamber. Oh, which means I... Oh! Just go. Okay. What is this? Door to the main wing. Oh! EL9 detected. So I had EL9 in me. Or I could potentially have it in me. Is what it was saying. Oh my god. Oh. Personnel information, unidentified remains of unknown animal, general appearance, large animal, deceased, pale flesh, hairless, height 2.1 meters in length, 3.4 meters. Or height is 2.1 meters, length is 3.4 meters, so weight is 406 kilograms. The vertebrae animal looks to be of the Mammalia class with 10 limbs. The neck measures 120 centimeters. Examination shows that an apple lodged within the long throat, which was probably the cause of death. The digestive system consists of one stomach with 4 compartments. No apple was found in any of the compartments. Ovaries are present, but no evidence of a uterus or cervix. The mammary glands and internal organs suggests the animal is female, which also suggests the potential existence of a male mate. Notes: due to the size of the subject, a partial autopsy has to occur at the site for discovery in the arbor. With much of the subject remaining here, transport of the rest of the subject to the lab has been scheduled for tomorrow. The arbor has been closed off for the time being. Report signature. Oh, boy. Wait a minute. It's sprouting. Oh no, it's sprouting from this person.
Such sorrow in her eyes. Or is it heartache? How lonely she must have been.